In this tutorial, let's see a quick path to build BI dashboard with Cube, React, and RDS PostgreSQL using just a single Terraform script. Cube is an open-source analytics API for building data applications. It functions like a middle layer to simplify the interaction with various cloud databases and cloud data warehouse. Please scan the code to get a full Terraform script of this tutorial. If you look at the script, you will see the cloud resources like ECS, RDS PostgreSQL instance are clearly declared and very simple. Furthermore, the sample data and the necessary components are all automatically prepared, while the Terraform remote EXEC provisioner. Pretty simple for you to hands-on. Now, let's see how this quick path works. Alright, very simple to build the BI dashboard solution on cloud, right? Do not hesitate to have a try yourself. Thank you, and please visit the GitHub and the YouTube channel for more resources.